Although you don't think of the Lamborghini Countach in orange usually, it's not to say they don't exist, right? So I think it works. I like it. I like the orange color Lambos. Anyhow, we have the 25th anniversary of Muscle Machines that occurred in 2025, and this is number 24 of that series, not of all Muscle Machines. They've made many other Muscle Machines in 25 models. All right, so you can see inspect the model at the store at retail. And then open this up here. A little cardboard, a little plastic has to get thrown out. It's kind of a worthless space because it doesn't actually clamp onto the car, but oh well. And then we have in the 25th anniversary this like translucent clear orange paint job. All the 25ths have like a translucent paint job, so it looks very metallic. I feel like maybe they actually paint the body silver first and then they shoot a transparent orange on top of it. And then this one has the appropriate revolver wheels in silver color. I kind of wish they maybe got away from putting brakes in. You know, I'd rather just see 5 black holes than part of a brake system there. It's a little better in the rear because the brake is smaller. But the little lug nut details there, so that's okay. And the tires are rounded, so they look like balloons of air. And yeah, you can see here the paint is really interesting. It's nice that they got black into the big NACA duct there. And they also have like a little rectangle, maybe of the styling house. But this, what is this? I don't know. It's like a rectangle here for some reason. Maybe this text is supposed to be down here? Not sure. They actually have a different orange for the reflector here, so that's an interesting detail they got. And then all the 25ths have this stamping on the side, MM25. Going to the front here, we have some black and some silver for those lights, some black up in these ducts. And then it's nice they print, you know, multiple colors for this little headlight area. Although I guess they're running lights. These are the headlights. Sadly, this one actually has a bit of an imperfection. That's actually kind of rare for this brand. Yeah, some sort of paint, maybe a speck of dust or something got in there, and yeah, a dirty day at the paint booth. They also don't have an interior. This is actually black plastic. This is actually just painted onto the casting itself. And then they got the black paint up in here, which is nice, and over here as well. This is black plastic again, probably the same piece as the windscreen. And then the wing itself is that metallic, and very neat. Okay, this side of the car, no major problems. But now I'm noticing also there's an orange reflector in the back. You can see here the clear coat pooled up in the rear. So maybe I wonder if they painted it vertically or something. Anyhow, there's a little extra clear there, but it's not on this. Oh, it is on this side also. Yeah, alright. The rear though, here we have Countach nicely done, Lamborghini, and then the taillight area is all paint. Looks good. And this one has the exposed twin turbo blower engine apparently. And the different size exhausts are nice. They're deeply recessed. They're very round looking. On the bottom we have kind of old school tires. And it tells you what it is, which is great, and what line it is, and who the company that made it is, and even a website, some sort of production number, I assume. And 2 screws if you want to maybe swap out the wheels from a different one. But I feel no reason to do so. And then these are rolling toys. Oh, mine has a messed up axle or something. Oh, you know what? I think this wheel wasn't put on right, or I don't know. It's definitely messed up. Oh, you know what? Look at that. The tire's totally off. Simple fix. Oh, that's a little stretched. Huh. Oh well. Much better. So I do have 2 other ones. I have your standard red one with some gold wheels. And that's how I envision a Countach. And this has a normal rear end. I did add my own license plate to it, a 1/64 scale license plate. And then here's the white version with white wheels, which is, I think, pretty cool. The real cars did come like this, I believe. This one has a normal rear end and a license plate as well. Alright. So yeah, the blower rear end is pretty crazy. I do have a black version of it, but we're running out of space. So I'm just going to pop up this 25th anniversary F40, which I feel like is competitive, I suppose. I prefer the deformation of this Countach. I'm not really a fan of the deformation of the F40. For some reason, it's too narrow. It doesn't look wide. Like, this is a wide-looking casting, but look how narrow the F40 looks. It's too long and narrow. Strange. I don't know what they were thinking when they designed that. You can look up reviews of those other ones. So, as usual, a pretty nice toy done by Muscle Machines. You know, this one has some paint imperfections, a dusty day at the paint booth. But the other ones have generally good paint, so I like the brand. I just hope they make more castings. That would be nice. Alright, well, we'll see if they do so, or even before. I'll probably buy some other Muscle Machines. Thanks for watching today.